Leolaces, it's your girl, and I'm back with another video. So as you see in the title, I'm going to do some soft waves, so let's just get to it. So I'm going to go to my Old Faithful, the Nairobi Rapid and Shine. I'm just going to distribute it all throughout my hair. My hair is already freshly washed and cleaned and conditioned. I'm just going to put it all through my hair. I already got my part where I want it to be. Now I'm not going to do my whole head because I'm not really, perfect at doing finger waves. I'm just kind of learning as I go. As you all know, I am not a licensed cosmetologist. I just like to do my own hair. So let's get to it. soft wave. can't wait till I grow my sideburns back, because this will be even more cuter if I had longer sideburns. I just feel like this part right here could be tweaked a little bit more. I'm not too fond of this side, so I'm going to do it again. I feel like it could be better. Another day. And I'm just going to make sure that the back is laid down to my liking. And there you go. There you have it. Some quick, soft finger waves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the Junior Rapid strips, and I'm going to let it dry. And then I will come back to you all with my hair fully dried. And I'm going to add some shine to it. And it will be done. My hair, for some reason, no matter how freshly relaxed it is, it just automatically waves up. So I try to do this to kind of keep the waves at a minimum. I don't know why my hair does that, but it seems like the older I get, the more my hair texture changes. So I will be back to you guys with a fully dried head, and then I'm going to show you what I'll do after that. Okay, so here I am with it all dried. All I'm going to add is some Chi Silk Infusion. So there you go. I put a little Chi shine on there. Looks very glamorous to me. I think it's cute. Let me know what you think. Go ahead in the comment box. Let me know if you like it. Let me know what kind of styles you would like for me to try. I will be willing to try anything. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button. And also like. If you want to know every time I post a video, that bell. Make sure you hit that bell. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.